Welcome to this week's episode of Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck weekly program that focuses on upfitting. I am Wayne Parm, one of the editors at Work Truck. Recently, I was over at my son's house just outside Atlanta. We went over to visit grandkids and really had a great weekend. While down at my son's shop, or barn if you prefer that terminology, I checked out his new gooseneck trailer, which he uses to haul his skid steer and mini excavator. He had done a quick weekend job, so his truck was still hooked up. Now he's had that truck, a Ram 3500 chassis cab, for maybe 3 or maybe even 4 years. So I've been around that truck plenty of times, but this time I noticed stickers on the underbody toolboxes. Until then, I never realized that when he spec'd that truck, he chose toolboxes from Buyers Products. When it comes to toolboxes, Buyers Products delivers quality, and the brand is well respected. So, today I want to share a little recent news from Buyers Products related to toolboxes, which of course help work trucks have all the gear they need to get a job done. Buyers Products has expanded its Contractor Toolbox series with new finishes and sizes. These additions provide more options for compact pickup trucks and other space-limited applications to meet the growing needs of professional contractors and fleet operators. Built for durability and superior organization, the Contractor Series Toolboxes maximize storage with a two-tier design. Users can securely store tools inside while keeping the truck bed open for larger cargo. A weather-resistant seal and built-in rain gutter protect contents from the elements, while stainless steel compression latches provide added security. The lower compartment is available in 2 styles: dual sliding drawers with adjustable dividers for customizable storage, or a single drop door for additional interior space. Gas shocks on the top door ensure smooth, hands-free operation. The new Diamond Tread aluminum Contractor Series toolboxes are now available in several sizes: 60-inch, 72-inch, 88-inch, and also 96-inch. The Diamond Tread aluminum pickup truck contractor tool boxes optimize storage space on your pickup truck. It's just a no-brainer. Measuring just 21 inches tall and 13.2 inches deep, these truck boxes leave ample room in your truck bed for oversized cargo. The aluminum series toolboxes are lightweight and made from corrosion-resistant 56/100ths of an inch thick aluminum construction. And Buyers Products offer several finish options, such as gloss black, matte black, and even unpainted finishes. These toolboxes are made in the U.S., and all the needed mounting hardware is included. You can even choose a no-drill mounting option with the included J-hooks and protective side rail pads. For more information, check out the Diamond Tread Aluminum Contractor Series Toolboxes on Buyers Products website. Be sure to come back next week and see what the latest topic, product, or tip will be on Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck. Thank you.